I have a plane, I have some peaks and troughs, and I want to straighten things out so that we are back to being a plane again. So if I take, say, that point there and that point there, I want all the intervening points to be on a straight line, no matter where you look at it from. The tool that will help me is GStretch, part of Loop Tools. That comes as part of Blender, just need to enable it. Once that's done, if you right click in edit mode, Loop Tools appears at the top, GStretch, and it straightens out the line, no missing. If going to end properties, it is available under edit with more options. And one more to illustrate or to emphasize the point. If I'll go right over here, which has picked up the one at the bottom of that trough, right click, Loop Tools, GStretch, done.